Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this lovely garnish called green onion curls. So we're just going to take a scallion or a green onion, tear off the wilted leaves, trim a little bit off the top from the greens, and trim off the roots. And we're mostly just going to use, actually we're only going to use the greens in this part. So you want to cut about a 2-inch chop off the top, getting the greens cut, and then cut them lengthwise, just enough to like open it up and lay it flat. Open up the green onion. I'm gonna lay it down flat from the inside part. So you cut the green onion lengthwise, open it up. The reason you're laying it down from the inside part is you actually can then lay it flat. If you try to have it where the outside of the green onion is the part that's in contact with the board, it's probably gonna curl back up. It's gonna make it hard to cut and you might actually hurt yourself, which you don't wanna do. So once it's laid down flat, just cut off like carefully, really thin slices, kind of almost like a julienne cut. We're gonna take those thin slices and put them in some ice water. Put it in the ice water for about 30 minutes or at least overnight, and they will start to curl up. It just makes a really fun garnish to go on top of like omelets, burgers, whatever you wanna use. It's just really nice looking. It kind of has this delicate sort of elegance to it. I think that you will really like it. If you like this video, hey, give me a thumbs up. If you wanna see something particular, drop a comment down below. And if you like to cook like I do, I release new videos every single week. So hey, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.